Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about Zion Oil and Gas, ticker symbol ZNOG. Z Dizzle, my nizzle had a big day today. We're going to go over a quick little email that John Brown sent out, and then we'll break down the charts as always. We'll also give you a little bonus peek of triple EEENF and talk about the potential of more downside and where I see it landing before takeoff again. So just to reiterate, guys, before we do, not a financial advisor, make sure that you do your own research. Also, if you find value in today's video, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy our content, and hit the notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. Before we get into it, apologies for the content, the quality of the content on the stock pick videos. I don't know what happened. I was trying to edit it in YouTube for the first time. I usually edit it off of my app and upload it after, but I tried to edit it through YouTube and it was very strange. That had like some weird background noise. Somehow I created a blur on the screen and I couldn't get it off, so apologies for that. But basically, in a nutshell, just to let all of you know, I'm planning on buying more triple ENF this week, possibly. ZNOG, I said if it fell down to about 10 cents again, that's where I'd buy more. If not, I'm just going to hold with what I have, because 10 cents is my lowest buying point as of this point. IQST is also a possibility. I'm thinking about that. I did buy more SHIB today, and we'll probably buy some more in about 2 weeks as long as it's at this level. But we also talked about the rising tensions of Ukraine and Russia and how that may affect the market. So keep an eye on VIXCentral.com and the Fear and Greed Index and all that good stuff. But also, just to tell all of you, that was what the video was about, was mainly to tell everyone thanks for all the follows, the likes, the comments, things like that. So anyway, let's get into it. This was sent out by John Brown today, and it says, to Zion friends and family, I received these scriptures 1 through 4 below from God once again on 2/3/22 at 2 a.m. and it gives you 4 scriptures, and he talks about, it says, my call to Israel was in May of 1983, and based on these scriptures, it was then by faith I went to the wall and prayed these 2 scriptures for oil in Israel. That's why God created Zion Oil, to fulfill his promises for the oil to be found on the head of Joseph for both Jacob and Moses. So, and it goes on to talk about, it's actually an article that gives you, the scriptures and stuff in this article. I'm going to link this whole thing in the description below if you want to take a look at it. I'm not going to get too much into that, but I do want to look at the charts for Zion Oil and Gas and let you know what the key support and resistance levels are and kind of what to look out for over the next couple of days. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Okay, guys, so Zion Oil and Gas up right under 24% for the day, got as high as 15 cents on the close. So it'll be interesting to see what we do coming into tomorrow. And taking a look at the charts here, your overall ceiling here, overall for the 180-day 4-hour time frame is about 64 cents. We finished, like I said, at about 15 cents. Had a very, very large green candle, then followed up with a confirmation candle. I think there's been a lot of volume here, but we are overvalued. So if we do push up, I see maybe 15 cents, 16 cents. But we could, again, have a little pullback because we are overvalued. So people may come in and take some profits. It could just be people buying in, swinging this thing, or averaging down. I don't know. We'll take a look actually in a second on the SEC website to see if there's any type of insider transactions and things like that. But we have to get above 17 cents and hold in order to confirm a longer term reversal. First, see a level of resistance is about 21 cents, then 30, and about 37, 43, 51, and like I said, about 64. So overall, we'd love to see it get to about maybe 35, 36 cents and kind of stall there for a couple of days and then confirm, get some confirmation going before we start taking some moves back to the upside. All right, guys, so we're on the SEC website looking at insider transactions to see if we have any recent insider transactions other than what we know about, and nothing since, it looks like, the 27th of January. But that's something that we'll keep an eye on. If anyone else sees anything come up please do let us know. So let's take a look at triple EEENF. Like I said, a little bonus pick today. We're going to take a look at the charts on it because we do talk about that stock as well, and we'll kind of go from there. All right, guys, looking at 88 Energy, ticker symbol triple EENF. Remember, we had this huge run up to 4 cents, and I said, okay, here comes the pullback, and it pulled back, and I kind of mentioned that in several videos. If I think that we're going to either bounce off of 0.28 or break below and then bounce off of 0.025. But we're coming up to a critical support level here, and if we can hold there, that's some good news for us moving forward, because you see here that we are forming a major cup and handle pattern here on the 180-day 4-hour. But the key thing is we cannot go, in my opinion, below this 2.5 cent mark. If we do, then that trend is broken, and we're going to go down lower, and we're going to go all the way down to 2 cents and possibly below that. But I'm hoping that we can get down here to about the 2.5 cent mark, and then boom, kind of bounce off of there and start making our way back up more towards the upside. And it's actually working out pretty well, considering the timing, because they're about to spud their second well. So I think that that can be, that can be a good thing for us moving forward. Is if they come out and announce the confirmation of them spudding that well, that should send us higher up to the upside. But I'm using this opportunity, if it gets down here to that 2.5 cent mark, to buy more, and then I'm holding. Okay, I'm just basically sitting out and waiting to kind of see what happens. And if it busts below that 2.5 cent mark, then maybe bounce out and get back in after. But I'm hoping that it can bounce off of there and take off and kind of go from there. But anyway, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. Let me know your thoughts below on ZNOG and triple EENF. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.